everyone, today let's start with chapter number 5, computer malware. So in this chapter we will study about computer malware. Malware often uses malicious software. It is intended to access or installed on a computer without user knowledge or permission. इसमें क्या होता है, यूजर को कोई नॉलेज नहीं होती, ना कोई आपको परमिशन देनी पड़ती, अपने आप इंस्टॉल हो जाता है. राइट, वी हैव टाइप्स ऑफ मालवेयर. वी हैव worms, trojan horses, right, spyware. We have ransomware, rootkit, and computer. These are the different viruses. These are the different viruses that we see, right? Next is how malware spread. भाई या तो सोशल नेटवर्क के थ्रू स्प्रेड होता है, और हम पायरेटेड सॉफ्टवेयर, कोई आपकी रिमूवेबल मीडिया होगी, ईमेल्स होगी, वेबसाइट होगी, आप उनसे क्या कर सकते हो, इनको ये निकाल सकते हैं. Now worms. It is a particular kind of program that may be installed on the target computer with or without the user consent. इसमें आप क्या होता है, या तो यूजर के कंसेंट से होगा, यूजर के कंसेंट से नहीं होगा. It collects user surfing data and send it to another computer without computer's owner. मतलब जो कंप्यूटर का ऑनर है उसको नॉलेज नहीं होती. Most of the time they are downloaded to the host computer, while freeware or free application program they are downloaded from the internet. Now Trojan horse. So we can say that Trojan horse malware is named after the wooden horse which is used by the Greek army to conquer the city of Troy. और जो Trojan horse program है, आप इसको ये अपीयर करता है do to unnecessary desirable task. ये हार्म्स करता है कंप्यूटर को और जियोपार्डीज इट्स सिक्योरिटी, बट नीदर डुप्लीकेट्स नॉर कॉपीज इट. ना तो उसको डुप्लीकेट करता है, ना उसको कॉपी करता है. एग्जाम्पल क्या है, रिमोट एक्सेस, IRC ट्रोजन, backdoor trojans, and key logging trojans, right? Next is spyware, a form of malware known as spyware, which is placed on computer and gathered data. ये data gather करता है users without their knowledge. It is frequently difficult to detect and usually hidden from the user. Spyware program in which learner of the computer stealing data and your password logging and other personal information. Now ransomware. A type of software called ransomware effectively holds computer system hostage by demanding payment. ये क्या डिमांड करता है, पेमेंट डिमांड करता है, erupting the files on hard drive and displaying message that deem payment from the users. Rootkit, it is a sort of stealth malware, जो it conceal the presence of specific person and program from routine detection technique. Zombie, it is a program make control to our computer and use it as an internet connection to attack other computer on network. ये करता है दूसरे कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क से करता है, अटैक करता है. Now computer virus, it is the vital resource under siege is referred to as virus which is purposely created to harm important computer app. जितने भी important computer applications हैं वो उनको harm करता है. Antivirus, a computer program used to stop, find and get rid of malware in antivirus software, जिसको आप anti-malware कहते हैं. The initial purpose of antivirus software was defined and eliminate computer infection. During the file, program or application scan, antivirus software check a particular set of code with the data from its database. इसको आप एक तरीके का malware consider करते हैं and prioritize or remove if it resembles the identical to be known piece of malware. Now firewall system designed to prevent unauthorized access to from a private network. Firewalls can be implemented in both. दोनों में implement होगी, hardware में भी, software. All message entering or leaving the internet pass through the firewall, which examines each message and blocks those do not meet the specified security. Now hardware and software malware. If we talk about firewalls can either be hardware or software, but ideal firewall configuration will consist of. It can be purchased as a standalone product. They are also typically found in broadband router and should be considered important part, right? So what we say that it is larger network, business networking firewall solutions are also available, right? This is all about this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.